Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm busy working with these cutouts, these tree cutouts from Couture. And after we get those out, we're going to decorate them with this transfer. Now the next thing I need to do is take Minwax, it's a natural colored wax, and put it on, and with a clean rag or t-shirt, and buff it out. And then we're going to get the transfer ready. I'm numbering them all, and then I'm going to number the backs, because remember, this is silk screen transfer that is reusable. So you want to make sure you have the sticky side of the transfer with the shiny side of the backing. And then I just cut along the cutting lines and getting the paste ready to put on the trees. Now on this netting, there is very little sticky. There's a lot of the netting. So my best tip is to just hold it down, as you can see I'm doing with my hand, to keep it from moving on you. Because you also waxed it because it was wood and very porous. So it could be a lot slipperier than normal. But look at that, see? Good results. That was seafoam that I used. It's one of our en vogue colors, just meaning it's seasonal, and it should last through the end of the year. Who knows, maybe they'll even keep it on. I hope so, I like that color. Now this one is Shimmer Silver, one of our new shimmer pastes. We have them in ink, but now we have them in paste too. So in this tree, I am just doing half and half. Half of it, the shimmer silver, and half of it in seafoam. I'm just using my squeegee as a tool to try to get a straight line in between. But after I get it all on there, I kind of take the squeegee along the border to kind of blend it a little bit. I don't really care if it blurs in together. I think it'd be fine. Now on the other side, I'm putting the manger scene. And this is another transfer that we have. I will try to put the name of it down below. Of course, the most important part is the star. Well, not the most. One of the most important part is the star. So I did that in shimmer gold. I also put glitter on it. So as soon as you take the transfer off, you're going to put the glitter on while it's still wet and let it dry on there. And then I went to do the rest of the manger scene. Baby Jesus, Mary, Joseph. On this one I also did the shepherd and I believe a lamb. But I went back and forth in the trees to allow time to dry in between. Of course, you can always use a hair dryer or a heat gun, but this worked for me. So you have your three kings, and then on this one I have my sheep and a donkey. And these cutout trees are about an inch thick, and they'll stand up all by themselves, just like the pumpkin cutouts that we had. This would make an awesome centerpiece, say in the middle of your table so you can see both sides. Really cool. I'm finishing up with a little baby lamb. And I did all that in black velvet. And there's the one side. Pretty, right? I really was happy with this. But this is awesome with the manger scene. I like them both. So if you'd like it to, go check out my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. This is fun.